Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike York. Today is Monday, November 21st. We do got a short week this week with Thanksgiving up on Thursday and the market's being closed on Friday, so it'll be a short week. We do got some economic news releases scheduled, kind of important ones this week. Today is kind of a slower day, but Tuesday and Wednesday, especially Wednesday, will be more packed. So today we basically got the existing home sales. We had 491 million, and thought it would drop down to about 480 for due to the seasons, but actually it went upwards to 4.97 million. So those are pretty good numbers, obviously, for existing home sales. Helping out the housing industry here. And that's it for the news releases for today. So we'll jump over to the headline news. And basically, the stock market's way down today. And why is that? Primarily for several things. We got the U.S. Congressional Super Committee failing at creating a resolution. You basically got 6 Democrats, 6 Republicans going at it and not coming up with a resolution. And unfortunately, they can't seem to put their politics aside and come up with a solution for the American people. I don't know about you folks, but I'm getting tired of it myself. So hopefully, we can get some type of resolution. It doesn't matter what party, in this situation we got serious issues and we need to get them resolved now. So we really need, hopefully they'll get something taken care of here very soon, sooner than later. So the next item is France's AAA credit rating is at risk. Again, we've kind of heard this before, but it sounds like it might be more of that stature. So the concern here is Italy becoming the next Greece, and then the France becoming the next Italy, in that kind of order, where we already had the bailout for Greece. Italy's going to be a very big one, obviously, being that they're the third largest European economy in Europe. Uh, and Greece is pretty much a lot smaller, obviously, so it's going to be a bigger effect. And then now you got France, maybe on the verge too, as they've been seeing higher yields on their borrowing costs as such. So some areas is just going over there. And then also trying to warn of a global recession. So obviously we've kind of felt like we've been in a recession, but China's been, as we've mentioned, has been trying to force themselves to slow down because the economy is doing too well, and they're trying to fight inflation. So as they've been slowing down, obviously that's going to have a rollover effect with everybody else, since everybody has large amounts of trade with China here. So as I've mentioned before, I see it firsthand as I go to San Pedro, California here quite a bit, as we got a lot of the longshoremen that live there, working out LA Harbor, which is the second largest harbor here in in the U.S. So basically, if it's slow there, it tells me that we're going to have a kind of a slower economy here, as we're not getting a lot of trade going back and forth with China. So let's see how this is playing out in the bond market, where interest rates are moving. As you can see, we're up a bit here today. We're up about 12 basis points. We were up and down on Friday. We did settle down a little bit. Today we're upwards. We're up at 18 at one point. So right now we're kind of hovering around the 10-day moving average. We got that ceiling of resistance here. Don't know if the news this week. Hopefully, it could be a make or break. We got the Fed minutes up coming up. That we got PCE, which is a personal consumption expenditure, which is the Fed's favorite gauge for inflation, consumer sentiment. So, and plus we're heading towards the holidays, so usually we have like Black Friday for Friday. So it'll be interesting to see how things play out here a little bit. So, anyways, folks. That's it for today. Rates are a little bit better today versus Friday. We're kind of back where we were on Thursday's interest rates. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And if you guys are on my site here, whether YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, if you're on Mike'sDailyMarketReport.com, please subscribe. You guys have a wonderful day, and see you tomorrow.